Hi, I'm Om. Welcome to PixelAPI. This episode is about merge videos. If you build products, run an online store, or ship apps that need AI powered imagery or media, this one is for you. In the next few minutes, I will show you the end to end flow, sign up, dashboard, a hands on demo on the website, and a working Python script. Let us get started. Most e-commerce and creative teams spend real hours on this, either a designer on retainer or a pile of manual Photoshop work or a monthly subscription to a tool that still cannot keep up with your catalog. What we want instead is combined clips cleanly, one API call per asset, deterministic output, and a flat per call price you can plan around. Let me show you how PixelAPI does this. First, let us get you set up. Head over to pixelapi.dev/app. You will land on this screen. Hit sign in with Google. Pick your Google account, approve the permissions, and you are in. No credit card needed for the first 100 credits. Here we are, signed into the dashboard. This is your dashboard. Up here on the top right, you can see your credit balance. You get 100 credits free on sign up. Over on the left, every tool PixelAPI exposes is one click away. Now click on API keys. This is the key your Python script or CQRL call will use. Hit copy. You will paste it into your integration in a minute. Alright, now the fun part, let me show you. Merge videos in the browser, open the tool page, drag in your input, give it a couple of seconds, and there is the result, clean, ready to use. Let us try another example to see consistency. Again, clean result, same quality, different input, one more, and you can see this works across the variety you will actually see in production. Clicking one at a time is fine when you are exploring. For real workloads, you script it. Here is a short Python script. We load our API key, the one we copied from the dashboard. We loop over every input in a folder. For each one, we post to the endpoint, poll until the job completes, and save the result. Let me run it end to end on a real batch of 6 inputs. You can see the output folder fill up. 6 items processed, clean, consistent, in under a minute. Here is the before and after, original on the left, PixelAPI output on the right, every one consistent, ready to ship. This is what your catalog, your app, or your ad pipeline looks like when you wire this up. That is PixelAPI in one complete walkthrough. 100 credits free to try, no card required. Link to pixelapi.dev is in the description. If this saved you time, hit subscribe. I am dropping one of these per tool this week. Thank you for watching. Happy building.